This Century 21 Results Property video is presented by Danny Drouin. Welcome home to this adorable 3 beds 2 bath home completely renovated in 2021. Home features an open floor plan with updated kitchen appliances and beautifully stained hardwood floors. All schools are within 2 miles away. This home has a lot to offer as it is built on 0.70 acres with over 1,004 square feet on the main level and a partial unfinished basement. This can either be finished to add to the living space or used as storage. The driveway is large enough to accommodate 3 cars. Situated with the utmost convenience in mind, this hidden gem resides in close proximity to the prestigious campuses of Georgia State University and Georgia Tech. Seamless transportation is at your fingertips with effortless access to Marta, ensuring connectivity throughout the city and beyond. Act fast to seize this rare opportunity, as it won't be available for long. Make your offer today. Completely move-in ready. This is an investment property, no seller's disclosure. No HOA. Tenants are month to month. For more information,